Yo, it's your boy Nanu Garage, and right now I'm headed back home to reveal something very special to you guys. Yeah, we got a Camaro up in the garage waiting for us, waiting for me to reveal it to all of you guys. And you may be like, what the hell, Nanu Garage, you traitor? Yes, I'm a Mustang fanboy. Yes, I'm a Ford, Mustang, Shelby primarily channel, but we got a Camaro. Haven't showed it to you guys yet. Go ahead and head back home. I'll show you guys what it's all about. We still have the GT350. This is staying in the garage. We still have the Ford Raptor. It's over at Ford of Walnut Creek. So yeah, that's getting fixed up. We got the Gen 3 CTS-V still. Just don't drive it that much. Don't make that many videos with it. But if you want to see some videos with it, let me know down below in the comment section. Anyways, let's go ahead and speed back home, and I'll pick up the camera once we get there. So we are back home now. You may be asking what in the hell is going on here, and yeah, that's the GT350. And what the hell is it doing on these race ramps again? Quite honest with you guys, it's very exciting what's going on here, and I'm very happy about it. I'm trying to stay happy right now, but this right here is what really just stumped my mood today. Yeah, when I was getting back home, you could hear the mid pipe making a noise, and yeah, it completely cracked. That was the other side last time that cracked, and this is the other side now. Anyways, yes, we're gonna hop in the Camaro any second now, but let's go ahead and take off this mid pipe first. Just whoa. Well, that was easy. Only took 17 minutes of my time. Anyways, we're gonna be dropping this off at the shop tomorrow morning, and then pick up the Raptor 2, and then pick this up in the afternoon, and we should be good to put it back on. But let's go ahead and start the cooler part of the video, which is the Camaro. Bang, here it is. 1968 Camaro SS. This thing is so beautiful. Let's go ahead and get it out on the road, and we'll go ahead and full walk around of everything on it. Let's go ahead and try to start it up right now. I don't even know if it's gonna start. Might need to jump it with the Shelby, but keys. I need the keys first. So let me get the keys. Whoa, there we go. Pump that gas a few times before we turn it on. I love how everything is so mechanical in here, and it's just like ASMR. Just like listen to this. All right, screw it. I'm not even gonna try. Let's just put the jumper cables on. And conveniently, jumper cables are right behind the seat, so. All right, good to go. Careful, 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 careful. All right, there we go. Ah! That's the smell of America. Just when I got done talking about the exhaust leak on here, bang. Sounds like this thing got an exhaust leak from up here too. Well, as you can see, the Camaro is literally on empty right now, so let's go ahead and try to just take it easy and make it to the gas station. So right off the bat with the Camaro, one thing you guys may have noticed, this car's from 1968, so it's definitely a struggle getting things running with it. It does not feel very dialed in right now in its current state, but you sure do get a whole lot of looks in it. And then we brought it to Trent to get the brakes fixed in it. So the brakes are actually really good, especially given you only have these lap seat belts, which I'm not wearing right now, so maybe I should do that. The one thing about the car that I absolutely hate that I want to kind of change is the transmission. It's an automatic transmission, which sucks because I feel like this car would run so much better if it was not a automatic. If it was a manual, you had a clutch pedal, you could really get it to do a lot more things. Other cool thing is you don't even got to worry about what side you are on. Pump is on the back of the car instead of the sides like it typically would be with other vehicles. And as you can see, this is our gas cap right back here. Pretty cool, pretty neat engineering from the old days, but there we go, finally got it off. Put it right there for safekeeping. Gotta remember to put it back on. See, gas prices keep on climbing and climbing here everywhere, regardless of where you are, especially over here in California. It really is all good though, because your boy Nanu ain't no broke boy. So I can afford the gas, it's all right. But this is the tricky part right here, is you gotta line it up so the pump will actually even start. And then when the pump does start, you gotta feel it so slow, otherwise it's gonna overflow. Anyways, it's a very uncomfortable position to be in, so I'm gonna only pump 3 gallons of gas because your boy is super tired. Oh. on the road again.
Just can't wait to get on the road again.
This thing's a drop top, which is really nice. I love taking this thing out. This is it. It's silver with black stripes. Looks really cool, and it's actually been in the garage for a decent amount of time. I've just never revealed it to you guys on the channel, but it used to have even bigger wheels on the back, but the wheels are downsized now, and as you can see, it still rubs. 1968 is actually my favorite year of this car. That's just my personal opinion. Yeah, it might be biased because I have one, but on the 1969 they have like a 3 taillight design, but they don't have the gas cap in the middle on that model. Bummer to me, because it's such a major flex stepping out at the gas station and filling it up with the gas cap in the middle. Headlights are right through there, and you actually pop the hood by this lever right here. So let's pop the hood and see what's underneath it. So we got the 350 small block engine inside, but the one thing I love about this car is just you can just ride around, vibe in it, and everyone gets such a good like just look at it and absolutely loves this thing. But that's the one thing that I don't like, is that it's an automatic transmission. Engine still needs to get dialed in. Just every carbureted engine's gonna have its issues here and there, but aside from that, it's a fun weekend car, fun to bring around, especially because that drop top, have friends in it. Future plans with the car, I was thinking of doing an LS3 motor swap in it, and that's gonna run quite a bit of money. The LS3 motor, I'll be able to hop in it any day of the week. It's gonna have its own ECU, so I'll know anything that is wrong with the car, if there is anything wrong with the car, and it's gonna be pushing mad power, and then we'll get a manual transmission thrown in. That's the one tricky thing about these cars, is you do one thing, and then as you do one thing, you're like, ah, while I'm at it, maybe I'll do this, this, and this. So I mean, if I do the LS3 and then the manual transmission, while I'm at it, maybe I'll throw in a new brake system, maybe I'll do the suspension, maybe I'll beef up the rear end. There's just so many things that you could do, and you can really just fall down this rabbit hole of just so many just ridiculous amount of things to do. Pretty cool. Let's go ahead and hit the road again, and a few just mini pulls, let you guys really hear this thing. And that's the one reason I wish it was a manual, because if it was a manual, we could have put the keys in the ignition and bump started this thing. This is giving it the beans. Check out the brakes. Oh, everything flying. But the brakes are actually so good. So one thing I learned with this car is you need to tap the brake like that so the rear piston can set, and then the car will brake, like it will throw you out of your seat, as you can see right there. And then there's me, who doesn't even have like a freaking seatbelt, who just, yeah, the brakes are beautiful in this thing now. Brakes are beautiful, motor runs like shit, but it's still all fun at the end of the day. Yeah, this thing's pretty cool though. No other feeling like this. Like, it's just so mechanical. Everything is so mechanical with this car. The feeling is just amazing. It's so raw, and it's just, imagine it with more power. I can't even imagine. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's YouTube video. Raptor coming back soon, Shelby getting fixed soon, Camaro up and running now. It was just a dead battery, so like it's not nothing crazy, but Camaro up and running now. CTSV, everything's fine with it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's YouTube video. Make sure you guys all like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace. You see a car goop, call the cops, boy. AK all day, body start to drop, boy.
Saridinha streeta, they're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy.
They trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy. They trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop.